guys, welcome back to my video. It's Nakia. I want to thank you guys once again for tuning in. This is the unboxing part 2 of the sponsored wig I had showed you guys in the previous video. So this is just reboxing it again to show you guys clearly in a better angle of what's inside of the bag and what's inside of the package. Don't mind my background. This is just naturally, you know, my makeup hair station. Like I was real hungry. You see the Lay's back there, so don't come for me. And a disclaimer, I am not a professional hairstylist. This is what works for me. I'm learning and I'm growing, so just basically just be patient with me and, you know, and watch me grow. So this is the 8-inch 4x4 wig that you see there, and this company was Super Style Wigs, if I'm not mistaken. I will insert the company's name there again, but I really like the color. I should have went with like a 10 or a 12, but this is just the inside once again. The 4x4. It came with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. So this right here is me putting it on.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Gotta stay strong.
So that's it, everyone. This is just the final touches I'm putting on the wig. I want to thank you guys once again for tuning in, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.